Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search a hotel in the AirAsia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the hotels button. First, you have to type in the destination, so where you want to search for a hotel. And then you have to give your check-in and check-out date. And once you have it, click on the confirm button, and then you have to give the amount of person that will be on this journey and need a room. So if you have a children, then you can set the age as well, and then just click on the done button and the search button. And here will be all the available hotels to the specific date and person. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.